Castor oil and baking soda can treat more than 24 health problems. Hey! Subscribe to the channel, click on the bell and listen carefully. Due to their incredible healing properties, ancient folk remedies have been used for centuries. Nowadays, people start to understand their efficiency, and use them instead of prescription drugs. The holistic medicine often recommends castor oil for the treatment of number of health problems, even when the conventional therapies fail to provide the required effects. Castor oil provides numerous health benefits, including improved circulation. That's why it is used as coating in combination with baking soda. Castor oil and baking soda can treat more than 24 health problems. How to prepare a castor oil coating? Prepare a baking soda solution, and use it to clean the affected area. Get a cold-pressed castor oil, towel, plastic foil, clean gauze, and a bottle of warm water. Soak the gauze in heated castor oil and apply it on the affected area. Cover the area with plastic foil, and then put the bottle with warm water on it. Use the towel to wrap the area, and allow it to stand for an hour. Do this treatment every day for a period of 40 days. Use castor oil to treat the following 24 health conditions. 1. Use castor oil coating to treat your sprained ankle. Wrap it with the coating and allow it to act overnight. 2. Treat wounds, bruises, and minor cuts with castor oil to hasten the healing process. 3. To prevent appearance of stretch marks during pregnancy, massage your stomach with castor oil in the last 2 months of the pregnancy. 4. Apply castor oil coating on your neck to treat vocal cords nodules and chronic vocal hoarseness. Do this on a daily basis. 5. Combination of castor oil and baking soda will eliminate the dark spots on your face. 6. Put a drop of castor oil in your eye before bedtime to cure cataracts. 7. You can also treat pilonidal cyst with castor oil. 8. Drink 5 drops of this oil every morning to treat your allergy. 9. Rub some of the oil on your eyelid before bedtime as a treatment for eye allergies. 10. Consume several drops of castor oil every day to treat alcohol and nicotine addiction. 11. Massage your scalp with this oil before shampooing for about 20 minutes. This helps hair growth. 12. Put several castor oil drops in your ears to improve your hearing. 13. To remove tinnitus, consume 6 to 8 drops of castor oil for a period of 4 months. 14. Apply coatings soaked in castor oil in your lower back area to soothe the pain. Do this for a week. 15. Apply coatings soaked in this oil to treat chronic diarrhea. 16. Rub your warts with castor oil for a period of 1 month, and they will be gone. 17. Daily castor oil coatings can eliminate fungal infection on the feet. 18. Massage your soles with castor oil every day to remove calcium deposits. 19. Rub castor oil on your moles for a month period to a successful removal. 20. To treat stomach hyperactivity, apply castor oil coatings on your stomach. 21. Use castor oil to treat hepatitis. 22. A castor oil and baking soda combination can be used in the treatment of skin cancer. 23. Apply coatings soaked in this oil onto your stomach to stop snoring. Do this for about 2 weeks. 24. Apply castor oil to treat bee stings and prevent swelling. Before applying these recommendations, consult your doctor. Put a like under this video, subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell and share this video with your friends.